moist banana bread. We're going to get started with a few ingredients: flour, sugar. With a fork, we're going to mix it all up. This is an important step so that you can make sure your flour and your sugar are all mixed together. This is all our dry ingredients. We're then going to move to our wet. So we have our 2 mashed bananas, add Greek yogurt, 1 egg, and mix that all together evenly. Butter our pan. And here's when we're going to start to incorporate our dry ingredients to our wet. This is a very important step to ensure that everything is mixed together without being overly mixed. You're going to incorporate it little by little, as you see here, until everything comes together into a very smooth batter like this, and add it to our battered pan. Very important to not leave any bits behind. So I like to use a silicone scraper for that. We're then going to take the pan and smash it a few times. That removes the air bubbles, smooth out the top. And we're going to then take it straight to our oven. You will bake the banana bread for 40 minutes at 350. You will know that the banana bread is ready once you stick your knife through it and it comes out clean, as you see here. Enjoy.